How you guys doing? I just wanted to make this short video. I just made another sale in my business opportunity with Stripe. Here's a proof, payment proof, showing congratulations to Direct Pay. Direct Pay. It's got my merch going on. But I just wanted to bring you guys this and show you that even though this system has been started in 2021, 2023, it is still rocking, it's still on fire, and you can still make sales with the Infinity Processing System. I want to go over into the proof group real quick and give Miss Jasmine Douglas a big congratulations and a welcome in onto the Infinity Processing System. She got started at the starter level that entitles her to be able to make $50 unlimited. Now she already expressed that she has expiration to get started and to upgrade with me, and she was asking me about an upgrade when it comes to joining the different levels that Infinity Processing System has to offer. They offer 4 different product levels, which is the starter, the elite level, which is your pro level, and a $600 super affiliate level. I have not joined into the super affiliate level. I've been working on other projects. I am going to join in at that super affiliate level so that way I can see what's going on inside of the back office and bring you guys all the information that you need about the new product in the Infinity Processing System. But I wanted to take a minute and give Miss Jasmine a congratulations on taking her first step to starting a at-home business. If you're looking for a easy way to start making money online with a easy, simple, done for you marketing system, educational system in the e-learning space, this is for you. Newbie friendly, has all the training and tips and everything you need to be successful online in the back office. And I want to jump right over into what it takes to upgrade because that was her question to me. But before we jump over there, I want to also give Sandra Marie a big congratulations on making 6,800 in her first 5 weeks of joining the Blueprint. She says excited to be here and excited to have earned 6,800 in my first 5 weeks of joining the Blueprint Works. Income disclosure, it all depends on how you work your business, how you work the opportunity, and if you put all the training in the background that she gives you and implement them the way that she's giving you to implement them will determine your success with this business. Now, what she gives you is a done for you website. So if you're not tech savvy, you'll have that done for you website, pre-written images, pre-written ads and bonus images in the background. You see here 18 hours ago, Melissa's welcoming what's the name, Jaya Penn, to the group to have a look around. So there's so many people that's very interested in this opportunity. Adriana Vargas, this is her. She's built this system and she's put all her knowledge and her past 10 years of affiliate marketing into this business to help you learn how to attract the perfect client so that way you're not having to do all the selling and telling and bothering friends, but know how to attract those people who want to join your opportunity or are interested in what you have as an opportunity. My link is in the description in the bottom if you want to check it out. There's a 4-minute video, which is this corny little video right here, but it explains to you what's going on in the background and how you can get started with Infinity Processing System. And I want to go over that real quick with you. So these are the 3 product levels that I'm offering, and I do have a action taker bonus. If you're willing to come in at the 300 pro level, I am going to pay this admin fee right here, $39 admin fee, so that way you can get your website sent to you. And I'm also going to send a number of proven clicks and eyeballs to your system. So you want to be looking for my email follow-ups, so that way I can help you get started right off the gate. But Jasmine started at the $50 level, and she paid her admin fee, so she'll be able to make $50. She wants to be able to upgrade to the 300 Pro level, so that way she can earn all the way across the board and make that $300, $150, and $50 commission. This is a low to mid ticket opportunity. It's a direct member to member sale. So when somebody gets started with you, it pays you directly. So if you want to click the link in the bottom and get started, this is how it works and how you will get started. You will join at one of the levels, get access to your product and your step-by-step digital training, post pre-written ads on social media. We show you exactly where, how to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer. Start collecting 100% daily commissions started straight to your bank account. So these are the 3 actions that you have to take to get started with Affinity Processing System. I'm going to go over real quick because this is the main focus on what she asked of me. Let me pull my little guy over there. Hey, you guys like my marker? Oh, it's big and it's green. I want so you guys can be able to see everything that I'm pointing at. But here's Adriana Villegas again, and in this video, she's going to give you the whole detail on how to upgrade and where to send your information. And if you want to upgrade to the pro level, there is a $59 admin fee for the $600 level. But and right now we're talking from the $50 to the $300 level. So what you want to do, Jasmine, is come over. You're going to click on how to upgrade or how to update your website with new pictures, replacement, um, payment buttons and options, and etc. So this is how you would do it, Jasmine. Now, I'm all about helping my team and making sure that you're set up for success, and that if you join under me, I want to make sure that you have guidance and you know where to go and have someone to answer your questions. And that's me. I'm going to be there to rock with you on this. If you want to start a at-home based business, you want to join in with me, please get with me through Facebook. I have my Facebook Messenger down in the bottom, so that in the description, so that way you can get with me and see if this is a perfect fit for you. If not, you ready to rock and roll, hit that link, go over the 4-minute video, read through the entire website, pick your level, get started, and I'll see you on the inside. I'm out of here.